Welcome to ICO Investor. Today we're going to learn about Fairdesk. We're going to go over their platform, their Twitter. We're going to show you some trades, how to trade. We'll show you the FDT token, and we'll also go over the Fairdesk Academy. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. Let's jump in. Okay, so this is Fairdesk's website. You can do a lot of different things with the Fairdesk site. You can buy crypto. They've got spot trading. They've got markets. You can just take a look and see what markets they have. They've got futures trading, margin trading. You can access customer support 24/7. And they've also got several promotions, an affiliate program, which we'll go over in this video, and the FDT token as well. You can see the trading pairs they have. And the reason why Fairdesk is a great platform is they have 1 millisecond execution time. They've got 10 plus integrated liquidity providers. They've got over 1 billion of trading volume per day average. They've got 450,000 executed orders per second. They've got better security, better performance, better reliability, and 24/7 customer support. Now, clearly, as you can see here with the markets, things have been down. We've been in a bearish trend, a big bear market, but that doesn't mean you can't still make profits in a bear market. In fact, leverage trading and margin trading can be a great way to make gains regardless of which direction the market goes, whether it goes up or down. In a bear market, the trend is your friend. So if things are bearish and things tend to be going down, shorting can be a profitable solution. In a bull market, when things are going up, longing can be a profitable solution. Now, if you'd like to use Fairdesk, I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description below. Now, another great thing about Fairdesk is they have an app that you can use on your desktop or your phone or your mobile device and make trades there that way. And like mentioned before, the great thing about Fairdesk is you can use leverage up to 125x. They've got very, very low trading fees compared to Binance. They've got an experienced team from Morgan Stanley and Binance. They've got over 40 tradable trading pairs that you can trade from, and they've got 24/7 customer support. Now, with leverage trading, you can essentially take your money and you can magnify the amount of money you have by using leverage, up to 125x leverage. Now, this does come with risk. You can get liquidated when you leverage trade, meaning you can lose your entire position. So you must weigh the risk to reward ratios for trading. However, it can be a very, very profitable strategy if you learn technical analysis and you learn the right way how to make trades in profitable situations. With leverage trading, it's typically best to use the trend as your friend. So if the market is bullish, you long. If the market is bearish, you short. And again, you need to decide the risks for yourself because leverage trading can be risky and you can lose money. So let's go ahead and jump into a trade and I'll show you how to do it from A to Z. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you are in the trading platform of Fairdesk, you want to come up here to cross margin and you want to go ahead and select isolated margin. This allows you to control the amount of leverage that you're using and make sure that Fairdesk doesn't change the leverage on you depending on where your position is at. So go ahead and you click isolated, click confirm, and then next to the isolated and cross margin, you can select how much leverage you'd like to use. We're going to go ahead, we're going to do a 5x leverage trade, click confirm. You need to make sure to manage your risk properly and practice good risk management techniques. That means if you have a certain amount of money in your account, you don't actually use that entire amount in one trade. So this $50 right here that I have in this account, I'm not going to be using that full $50. I'll be using maybe $10 of this $50 in a single trade. Now you can see that markets have dumped currently. So it's dumped about 3% in the last few hours. So this could be a good opportunity for a long. However, you can see that the trend is bearish. We are below the EMA ribbon here. You can see that the EMA is acting as resistance, but it does make it back up to that EMA at certain times. So this could be a good long position to make it up, 2-3%. And then from there, you can decide if you'd like to take profits or do a short. So let's go ahead and enter a long position. This over here is the order book. You can see all the orders going through at certain times. So we're going to go ahead and place a long position. Now you can do limit orders and you can do market orders. Market orders typically will have more fees associated with them because you're entering a position immediately. A limit order allows you to set a certain price. So if you'd like to enter a long down at 39,500, let's say, it'll set that position and allow the price action to get down to that position before you enter the position. If you enter market order, then that will immediately enter you into the market. So we're going to go ahead and do a market order. This is the Bitcoin to USDT chart, and we're going to go ahead and trade. So this is about $12.22. We'll go ahead and do a 25% trade, and we'll hit open long. Okay, we've got the order submitted. We've been entered into this position, and now you can see we are in a long position. Now to set a stop loss, to make sure we cover our risk, You can decide what stop loss you'd like to set beforehand by deciding which position, which area you'd like to see bounce off support. Now there is a liquidation price. You can see right here my liquidation price is 32,000. If the Bitcoin to USDT price goes down to 32,000, that's where I will get liquidated. So that is a relatively low risk trade. If Bitcoin goes down 19%, then I can get liquidated with 5x leverage. So I'm going to go ahead and set a stop loss. Let's go ahead and look at some of the larger time frames. We've got major support where we're at now, so we could get a bounce here, which is why this could be a good long position. However, if we break 34,000, or even if we break the 37,000 range, that could be an indication that we go lower. So I'm going to go ahead and put a stop loss right below this area here. We'll go ahead and put a stop loss at 36.8, and that will be about a 7% loss. So that's about as much as I'm willing to take. So to set a stop loss, we can come down here to our open position, TP/SL. We click edit, and you can set take profit levels as well and stop loss levels. So we're going to do 36,800, and we'll set a stop loss there. And you can see the stop loss 36,800 is there. Okay, and that is how you enter a position. Now Fairdesk also has a profitable affiliate program and referral program up to $600 welcome bonus. So if you'd like to take advantage of that, I'll go ahead and leave the link down in the description. So let's go ahead and take a look at the FDT token. FDT is the backbone of the Fairdesk ecosystem. There are many ways FDT will be used as we add more products and features to Fairdesk. We empower participants to execute critical investing, trading, and risk decisions with confidence by providing high-grade trading services. You can read their Fairdesk white paper here. You can also see the benefits of the FDT token. There's 50% FDT trade mining, up to 30% saving APR, and an FDT DAO. So here are the tokenomics of FDT. You get 2% early bird plan, 23% to private investors and public investors, 55% trade mining and staking rewards, 15% to the team, which is locked for 2 years, and 5% to advisors, which is also locked for 2 years. If we go to their roadmap, we can see that in quarter 1 of 2022, they have the FDT release asset market. They've accomplished that. In quarter 2, they'd like to accomplish an auction and NFTs into the Fairdesk ecosystem. They'd also, in quarter 3, they'd like to do social trading and Fairdesk 2.0 release. In quarter 4, they'd like to do FDT list on AMM and major exchanges. And in quarter 1 of 2023, the asset market on DeFi, FDT ecosystem, and a wallet. So very lofty expectations, very lofty goals for Fairdesk. If you hold FDT, you can also claim bonuses. And they also have the Fairdesk Academy, in which you can go learn more about cryptocurrency in general. If you're fresh, if you're new to cryptocurrency, they have a comprehensive guide to DeFi. You can learn about DeFi here. If you're new to crypto in general, you can start here and learn all about crypto. You can learn how to evaluate different blockchains. Again, a comprehensive guide to DeFi and crypto basics, 5 things to keep eyes on this week in Bitcoin. You can learn about FDT, NFTs. You can learn about Ethereum, proof of stake, proof of work. So this is their platform that allows you to learn about crypto in general if you're new. And lastly, this is Fairdesk's Twitter account. They've got 47,000 followers, which is fantastic. They've got great, strong community. They've got engagement. They post frequently. This is posted on March 3rd. It looks like they're constantly giving updates. And you can see Fairdesk, founded by 6+ ex-Binance core personnel with the mission of providing a fairer, safer, and more efficient crypto derivatives exchange at lower costs. So that is the Fairdesk trading platform. We went over their website, we went over their Twitter, the Academy, we showed you the FDT token, we actually showed you how to make a trade on Fairdesk and how you can utilize their trading platform, as well as how to profit in a bear market. So and again, if you'd like to use Fairdesk, I'll go ahead and leave a link down into the description below. So thank you again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may not have covered, and subscribe to our ICO Investor channel so you can get other great content like this that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thank you for being here.